Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the frightening phenomenon of flash floods that can turn cars into monsters. We'll take a quick look at some of the most significant events that have occurred in 4 different countries around the world. USA. In 2013, Boulder, Colorado experienced one of the most severe flash floods in the state's history. The heavy rainfall caused creeks and rivers to overflow, and cars were swept away in the deluge. The flooding caused significant damage to roads and bridges, and many people were left stranded. The flood claimed the lives of 8 people and caused over $2 billion in damages. India. In 2021, India experienced one of the worst flash floods in recent years, with the northern state of Uttarakhand being particularly affected. The floods were caused by heavy rainfall and glacier melts, which triggered landslides and flash floods. The floods claimed over 100 lives, and many more were injured or missing. Cars were swept away in the deluge, and many were left stranded in the middle of the rising waters. Philippines. In 2020, the Philippines was hit by one of the most severe flash floods in the country's history. The floods were caused by heavy rainfall, and they claimed over 50 lives. Cars were swept away in the floodwaters, and many were left stacked on top of each other, creating a dangerous pileup that made rescue operations even more challenging. The floods caused significant damage to infrastructure, and many people were left without homes. China. In 2020, China experienced one of the worst flash floods in the country's history, with the central province of Hubei being particularly affected. The floods were caused by heavy rainfall, and they claimed over 140 lives. Cars were swept away in the floodwaters, and many were left stranded on the roads or stacked on top of each other. The floods caused significant damage to infrastructure, and the Chinese government had to launch a massive rescue operation to save as many people as possible. Flash floods are a terrifying natural disaster that can turn cars into monsters and cause significant damage and loss of life. These events can occur anywhere in the world, and it's essential to understand the dangers of flash floods and to take precautions to stay safe during heavy rainfall. Remember to avoid driving through standing water and stay alert to the risk of flash flooding. Thank you for watching.